I said to the woman, do you believe I got a jaywalking ticket? She said, well, you know, honey, they got those things at the corner with the little lights that you're supposed to...
Ask her what's her career.
It doesn't matter at this point. We're in my truck.
No, ask me, have I got one? When I first moved to Dallas, I did the same thing, and they gave me a ticket for jaywalking when we first
You are the... Thank you! Thank you! What do you do for a living?
I'm a criminal defense attorney. When I first moved to Dallas...
Where the hell was you in 95?
As you reckon.
Hello, this is Vince. Are you Nicole? Are you Nicole? I'm right here. That's Nicole. Hello? Is she
in the backseat?
You got something for her, right?
Yes.
Driving before you. I was waiting for him for like 15 minutes and then he finally canceled it. I'm like...
Well, if I could ever show you guys the footage, we just had a BMW go the wrong fucking way. Oh, dude's drunk off his ass.